Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting project video. What if I told you this AI camera can detect a person completely offline, greet them with a custom voice message, and doesn't need Wi-Fi, cloud services, or even the internet? Let me show you. As soon as a person appears in front of the camera, the system instantly detects them, displays a detection message on the OLED screen, and plays a custom
Welcome.
greeting through a speaker.
Greeting user. Audio active.
Everything happens locally on the
Edge
device,
AI processing.
making it fast, private, and reliable. Today we're building an AI-powered interactive greeting system using the Grove Vision AI V2 and an XIAO ESP32-C6. Unlike traditional AI systems that rely on cloud processing, this project performs AI inference directly on the hardware. This means no internet connection is required, no subscription fees, and no privacy concerns from sending data to external servers. The heart of this project is the Grove Vision AI V2. It is an MCU-based vision AI module powered by the ARM Cortex M55 processor and ARM Ethos U55 neural processing unit. It utilizes the WiFi 2 HX6538 processor and supports TensorFlow and PyTorch frameworks. Using Seed Studio's SenseCraft AI platform, you can deploy pre-trained machine learning models without writing complex AI code. The module also includes a standard CSI camera interface, onboard digital microphone, and SD card support, making it ideal for embedded AI vision projects. For today's project, we're using a face detection model. Whenever the camera detects a person, the system responds instantly by displaying information on an OLED display and playing a custom greeting audio file. Before building the final version, I first assembled everything on a breadboard for testing. But if you hate breadboard setups like me, with messy wiring, loose connections, and cables everywhere, here's what I did. I designed a custom PCB for my project in EasyEDA and ordered it from JLCPCB. Within a few days, I received my PCBs. I found the quality of the PCB very good. Moving from a breadboard prototype to a custom PCB instantly made the project cleaner, more reliable, and much more professional. For projects with limited space, JLCPCB also offers custom flexible PCBs that can bend and fit into compact designs. They use precision LDI technology and adhesiveless PI film, providing better reliability and thermal performance for demanding applications. The best part? Flexible PCB prototypes start at just $2 for 5 pieces, and new users can get a $10 coupon on their first flexible PCB order. Whether you're building IoT devices, robotics projects, wearables, or commercial products, JLCPCB has everything from PCB, manufacturing and assembly, to CNC machining and 3D printing. Check the link in the description or pinned comment to claim your $10 coupon and get started today. Now that you've seen the final result, let's break down how the system actually works. The Grove Vision AI module continuously analyzes the camera feed in real time. When its AI model detects a person's face, it sends detection information to the XIAO ESP32-C6 through the I2C communication protocol. The ESP32 acts as the brain of the system. It constantly checks whether a face has been detected. When a face is found, the ESP32 immediately updates the OLED display to show a detection message and sends commands to a DF player mini MP3 module. The DF player reads an audio file stored on a micro SD card and outputs the sound through a PAM8403 amplifier connected to a speaker. To prevent the greeting from repeating continuously, the DF player's busy pin informs the ESP32 whenever audio is already playing. Now let's build the project. These are the main components required. Grove Vision AI V2 module. Raspberry Pi camera with CSI interface. Connect the Grove Vision AI module and camera module with its CSI cable, facing the blue strip upward, as I did in the video. Next component is Seed Studio XIAO ESP32 PCBs-C6 microcontroller. DF player mini MP3 player for playing custom audio. Micro SD card formatted to FAT32 containing 0001.mp3 and 0002.mp3, 0001.mp3 for boot sound, and 0002.mp3 for greeting sound. Next, we have a 0.96-inch I2CO LED display with SSD 1306 driver. PAM8403 audio amplifier module for amplifying sound of DF player mini. 100 microfarad 16-volt capacitors for stable voltage, 2-pin connector for speaker, some header pins, and DC power jack, etc. All component links and resources are available in the description. Before programming the ESP32, we first need to load an AI model onto the Grove Vision AI module. Open the SenseCraft AI platform provided by Seed Studio and sign in to your account. Navigate to the model library and choose a pre-trained model. For this project, I selected a face detection model. Now, click on Deploy Model and scroll down. You will see the Connect Device button. Connect the Vision AI board to your computer via USB. Then select your board from the list on the website and click Connect. Once the board is recognized, you will see flashing firmware progress on the screen. You can also add a trigger to turn on the LED when face confidence is greater than 70 as a face detected from output configuration. Once completed, the module immediately starts processing camera data in real time. You can even view live detection results directly inside the SenseCraft dashboard, including bounding boxes around detected faces. Now let's prepare the Arduino IDE. Open Library Manager and install the Seed Arduino SSCMA library. This library simplifies communication with the Vision AI module. Also, install the DF Robot DF Player Mini library for controlling audio playback. Next, assemble all components on a breadboard, according to the wiring table provided in the description. One important thing to note is that stacking the XIAO board directly on top of the Vision AI module blocks access to additional GPIO pins. To solve this, connect them using the Grove cable while sharing the I2C bus with the OLED display. Once everything is connected, open the source code from the link in the description. Verify your pin assignments and upload the program to the XIAO ESP32-C6. After uploading, the system immediately starts monitoring the AI camera. Whenever a face is detected, the OLED updates its status, and the greeting audio plays automatically. At this stage, the project already works perfectly. But there's still one problem. The wiring is messy, fragile, and not suitable for long-term use. So I transferred everything onto a custom PCB. After soldering all components and completing the assembly, the project finally looks like a real product rather than a prototype. And this is the final result. Let's test it. Power on the device. The OLED displays the boot sequence while the startup sound plays. After initialization, the system enters scanning mode and continuously monitors the camera feed. Now let's step in front of the camera. The face is instantly detected. The OLED updates to show the detection status, and the greeting message plays through the speaker. Now let's test it in a real-world scenario. Mounted near a doorway, the system automatically greets visitors as they enter. This simple concept can be expanded in many different ways. You could add a relay module to automatically open doors or switch on lights. You could add smart illumination for low-light environments, or even combine it with servos to create a fully interactive welcome robot. capable of waving, performing a namaste gesture, or shaking hands. Potential applications include smart storefronts, interactive museum exhibits, visitor
Welcome to
greeting
the
systems,
store.
educational demonstrations, security systems, and science exhibition projects. By combining the powerful offline AI capabilities of the Grove Vision AI V2 with the flexibility of the ESP32-C6, we've created a responsive, privacy-friendly AI system that works completely without cloud services. And by moving the project onto a custom PCB, we've transformed it from a simple prototype into a reliable and deployable product. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI, robotics, IoT, and embedded systems projects, and let me know in the comments what you would build using this technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project. Until then, stay happy and stay cool.